Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking the vehicle and turning off the ignition and accessories. Always disconnect the negative terminal first before touching the positive terminal. Wear safety gloves and eye protection while you work. You will need a 10 mm wrench, a 12 mm wrench, wire brush, and replacement terminal post. Ensure you work in a well-ventilated area to avoid hydrogen gas buildup. Keep metal tools from bridging the terminals and creating sparks. Set the old terminal and hardware aside in a safe container for disposal. Loosen the clamp bolt and remove the old terminal from the cable end. If the terminal is seized, apply penetrating oil and let it soak for 10 minutes. Inspect cable strands and trim frayed wires to neat ends using diagonal cutters. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda into 1 cup of water and brush the battery posts and clamps. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly with a lint-free cloth. Wear eye protection when scraping corrosion with a wire brush to prevent debris in your eyes. Position the new terminal on the cable and secure with the clamp bolt snugly. Use a little dielectric grease on the post contact to inhibit future corrosion. Torque the clamp to 60 inch-pounds, 6/8 Nm, to prevent over-tightening damage. Reconnect the positive terminal second after the negative is already secured to the battery. Tighten until the terminal does not rotate on the post, and then test by gently wiggling the cable. Start the vehicle and confirm electrical systems are working and there are no warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.